In this video, I will show you how to paper trade options on Robinhood, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Before we start, it's important to know that Robinhood does not currently offer an official paper trading feature for options. However, there is still a simple way to practice options trading without risking real money. First, open the Robinhood app or log in through the Robinhood website. Once you're logged in, go to the Search tab. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to practice options trading on. After selecting the stock, tap on the Trade button and then choose Options. Next, select the expiration date you want to track. Choose a date based on the strategy you want to practice. After that, you'll see a list of available call and put options with different strike prices. Now choose the strike price you would normally trade. Instead of placing a real order, tap on the option contract and select Add to Watch List. Once the contract is added to your watch list, you can track its price movement in real time. This lets you see how the option performs as the stock price moves. Just like a real trade, if you expected the option to go up or down, you can come back later and check whether your idea was correct. You'll be able to see the price change, profit or loss, and percentage movement without using real money. You can repeat this process with multiple option contracts and strategies. By monitoring them in your watch list, you are effectively paper trading options on Robinhood and building experience without financial risk. That's how you can practice options trading on Robinhood step by step. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.